Fourth problem. Determine the analytic function f of z equals u plus iv given that the real part u equals e power 2x x cos 2y minus y sin 2y. Solution. Differentiate this u with respect to x. Ux equals product rule. You have to differentiate e power 2x. Differentiation of x is 1. 1 into cos 2y minus this is 0 plus this term right as it is. Differentiation of e power 2x is 2 into e power 2x. E power 2x is common, take outside, cos 2y plus 2x cos 2y minus 2y sin 2y. Now differentiate this u with respect to y. Uy equals e power 2x into x into minus 2 sin 2y minus y into 2 cos 2y plus sin 2y, or uy equals e power 2x minus 2x sin 2y minus 2y cos 2y minus sin 2y. Consider, since it is Cartesian form, f dash of z equals ux plus I into vx. See, in the problem they have given u, so you have to convert this v in terms of u by using CR equation. CR equation, vx can be written as minus uy. This vx can be written as minus uy. Therefore, f dash of z equals ux minus I into uy. By Milne-Thomson method or Milne's method, put x equals z, y equals 0 in ux and uy. Put x equals z and y equals 0. Therefore, f dash of z equals 1 plus 2z into e power 2z. Imaginary part will be completely 0 if you put y equals 0. Now integrate this. Therefore, f dash of z, after integrating, you will get f of z equals, first term write as it is, integration of e power 2z by 2 minus differentiation of this one is 2, again integration of this one e power 2z by 2 square. Here 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, f of z equals, multiply this inside the bracket, e power 2z by 2. Here 2 to get cancelled, z into e power 2z minus e power 2z by 2. So these two get cancelled. Therefore, f of z equals z e power 2z plus c is the required solution. Fifth problem. Find the analytic function f of z whose real part is sin 2x by cos h2y minus cos 2x. Solution. Real part means u they have given. U equals sin 2x by cos h2y minus cos 2x. Now differentiate this u with respect to x and y. So differentiate with respect to x. Quotient rule you have to use. V square cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square. Again v means this denominator, cos h2y minus cos 2x into differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x minus sin 2x right as it is. Differentiation of this one with respect to x, this is 0, cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x minus into minus plus 2 sin 2x uy. Now differentiate this with respect to y by quotient rule. Cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square, cos h2y minus cos 2x into differentiation of this is 0 minus sin 2x. Again differentiate this with respect to y. This is 0. Cos h2y is 2 sin h2y. And in Cartesian form, f dash of z equals ux plus I into vx. See, u they have given, so you have to convert v in terms of u by CR equation. Vx means minus uy. Therefore, f dash of z equals ux minus I into uy. By Milne's or Milne-Thomson method, put x equals z and y equals 0 in this ux and uy. Wherever x is there, replace z, and in place of y, you have to put 0. Therefore, f dash of z equals 1 minus cos 2z, 2 cos 2z minus 2 sin square 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square minus I into this uy will be completely 0 if you put y equals 0. Therefore, f dash of z equals, multiply this inside the bracket, 1 into 2 cos 2z is 2 cos 2z minus 2 into cos 2z cos 2z cos square 2z From these two we can take minus 2 outside, cos square 2z plus sin square 2z you will get. After multiplying and taking minus 2 outside, you will get cos square 2z plus sin square 2z, and this is 1. 2 cos 2z minus 2 you will get by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Again from this take minus 2 outside. So this becomes positive and this becomes negative. Minus 2 if you take outside, you will get 1 minus cos 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. One term get cancelled, therefore f dash of z equals minus 2 by 2 1 minus cos 2z formula is sin square z, 2 sin square z. Here 2 to get cancelled, 1 by sin square is cosecant square z. Negative is there, so minus cosecant square z. Integrate this. Therefore f of z equals standard formula. Integration of minus cosecant square z is cot z plus constant of integration c.